Hey everyone, your girl Liz here, coming to you today doing a first only about 3-minute cooking video. Today, last night after work on my way home, I stopped at Sheetz and got a whole bunch of stuff. And obviously then, I'm awake more. I don't really follow the routine that people say you should do of like, don't be on your phone for like 45 minutes and stuff like that. So it did take me a little bit longer than usual to fall asleep. And I also was waiting for my computer to upload the videos, so it was like 30 minutes. So I just kind of relaxed and brushed my teeth and had a bigger than usual bedtime snack. So it's okay that I'm having a starchy dinner tonight. I'm gonna have some potatoes, some fish sticks, and then obviously some strawberries. So like I said, I just wanted to come on and kind of make like a quick, 3 or 5 minute video. Because I know I did mention that maybe I might start to do some crafting videos. Gosh, blonde moments right now. Some cooking videos. And I also probably will do, I did tan today. After I got done with my Manic Monday grocery run. I have to do a Manic Monday movie too. So like I said, we're gonna get into stuff here. We'll get into another berry picking video tomorrow, probably some more tanning, and obviously track up the mountain Tuesday. So like I said, just kind of coming on here and talking to you guys briefly. And make like a real quick video. I really hope everybody has been enjoying the 4th of July as much as I did. That was so much fun. Oh my gosh. And I never thought there was going to be so many people there. I did briefly see this morning though, and I didn't think it was that many. And remember, I was in Pittsburgh. It said like they responded to like 80 some phone, like 911 calls. And I was like, huh? I didn't know that. I know whenever I was there at Point, they did almost have somebody, or they did pull somebody over the law enforcement boat. But I am still just freaking wound up. I was telling my cashier today about, oh my gosh, I'm cutting these way too deep. I was telling my cashier today about, I picked literally the best entire out of all the 100 and some odd games. I can't remember how many games are in a season, but I was like, I picked literally the best of 100. Like I felt like I won the lottery, and she was very excited about that. So yeah, I've been at 3 minutes now, so I'm just gonna go ahead here and post some of my pictures from today from tanning. And then I'll get going here. I have to get the mail yet. Just another Manic Monday. Then obviously I have to get a shower yet. I know Mondays are my purple shampoo days. So, and then Thursday I have my hair getting done again. So it's definitely a good time. So I'm gonna go ahead, like I said, and get started here. I'm gonna go ahead and start my oven. For 400 for that, and then I guess I'll go ahead and get done with breakfast and dinner and we'll be good. Or yeah, breakfast and dinner, because I mean some people might call this breakfast and dinner, not really, but I know some people just have strictly fruit in the morning. But anyhow, I'm gonna get going, guys. I hope everybody's enjoyed my first 4.5 minute partial cooking video. And then maybe, like I said, we can get on to that. And then I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Obviously, it took 20 minutes to do the last 20%. So this video might not be up today, but if it is up today, I hope you guys enjoy watching it. And I will talk to you guys tomorrow. If tomorrow's video is also posted in the same day. The freaking internet around here is just... blonde moments, like, all the time, girls.